Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at Castle Combe for Forge Action Day. Hopefully I'm going to do a better job than last time and actually get some content. I'm going to go watch some stuff on track in a little bit, and I will just show you around the Bristol detailing stand, which I'm on again. We've got Jack's Chaser here today as well. Let me show you. Oh. So we just about got the Chaser here this morning. Unfortunately did hit a little bit of a bump and nearly completely lost the front bumper, but we got there. It has damaged it a bit, but it's not too bad. And it's here, so. Jack's in my shots again. And then the rest of the Bristol detailing stand. Got a little Honda friend with me today. And she's made it, gearbox fixed. And she's made it. And then we have this beautiful centerpiece on the stand today. So pretty. So I didn't get to film this Mini earlier because it wasn't here when I went round our stand, and obviously I didn't get to film this bit either, but I was very kindly taken out on this on Castle Combe Circuit earlier, which was great fun for a few laps with the driver, so that was really, really good. Obviously I couldn't get any footage because I can't hold my camera when we're going around track, but yeah, really, really good. Great fun. Definitely missed it. I've been out on a track day before a few years ago now when Jack had his EG, and yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it. Forgot how crazy it feels as soon as you hit that track. Yeah, really, really great fun. So that's probably the highlight of the day. But it's proper track spec, caged. Yeah, super, super fun. And I want to go out again already in one. So one of our friends has got the top 20 or top 25 awarded by Castle Combe and Forge for the parade lap. So we are going out in that, so I will try and get some footage. It's a really, really, really cool car and it sounds amazing, so hopefully the wind won't just ruin the clip too much. But yeah, that'll be good too. So out on track twice, once in the Mini, which was flat out, and now for a parade lap. So yeah, super, super good day. So that is the end of the show. We've just helped Bristol Detailing pack everything up, and we're just going to grab a couple of photos now with Jack's car. But yeah, it's been a really nice day at Castle Combe. Weather's held out as well. Yeah, a really good event, quite busy, lots of good track action. Had a fab day. Super glad that the car even just made it. That's all I really care about right now, of getting to shows. But yeah, really, really nice day. Yeah, loved going out in the Mini. Really cool to go in the parade lap as well in the BMW. So yeah, super, super fun day. And yeah, I kind of feel like, you know, car shows have just started, but it's also nearly winter, so it's kind of coming to a bit of an end, so I'm not really too sure what other car events we'll be going to, but yeah, it's nice to make the most of it when we can. So yeah, I think that's going to conclude the video. Hopefully I've got a little bit of content to make a little video of, and hopefully you enjoy seeing the cars that were here today. As always, thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you do. And yeah, catch you guys soon. Bye.